In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Todoist from Google Calendar. Have you ever found yourself needing to declutter your digital life, starting with how interconnected your apps and services are? Or perhaps you're simply looking to manage your time and tasks in a different manner, making it necessary to disconnect certain integrations such as Todoist from your Google Calendar? Well, you're in luck. Today we're walking through the process step by step, ensuring you can do so seamlessly and without hassle. Firstly, you'll want to ensure that you can access your Todoist account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Todoist login page. It's important to note that any changes you want to make, including disconnecting from Google Calendar, will require you to be logged into your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email linked to your Todoist account to avoid any access issues. After entering your email, you'll be asked for your password. Type it carefully and click the login button. Remember, ensuring the accuracy of your login credentials is crucial for a smooth process. Once you're logged in, the user interface you're familiar with will greet you. Navigate to the Today view by selecting it from the available options. It's here that your tasks for the day are displayed, a central hub for your productivity. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll notice your profile picture or a default avatar if you haven't personalized it yet. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu revealing several options for account management and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This action will redirect you to a different part of the Todoist platform, specifically focused on your account configurations and preferences. It's the area where you can fine-tune how Todoist works for you, tailoring the experience to fit your needs. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a tab or section labeled Integrations. This is where Todoist lists all the external services and applications it's currently linked to, including Google Calendar. The integrations page provides a clear overview of which services are communicating with your Todoist account and managing various aspects of your digital workflow. Upon locating Google Calendar in the list of integrations, you'll see an option to disconnect this integration. It might be a little hard to let go of such convenience, but if you've decided this is what's best for your productivity or privacy, clicking disconnect is the way to go. A confirmation might appear, asking if you're sure about this decision. Confirm that you are, and the integration between Todoist and Google Calendar will be severed. It's essential to understand that disconnecting Todoist from Google Calendar might lead to changes in how your tasks and appointments are organized and displayed. Be prepared for this shift and consider how you'll manage your time and tasks moving forward, whether it's reverting to manual scheduling or finding another app to fill the gap. Being proactive about your productivity strategy post-disconnect is advisable. And there you have it. You've successfully disconnected Todoist from Google Calendar. It's a straightforward process, but understanding the steps and implications ensures you're making informed decisions about your digital toolset. If ever in the future you decide to reintegrate these services, the steps are similarly simple, and Todoist's user-friendly interface will guide you through the process. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether it's simplifying your digital environment or adapting your productivity tools to better suit your evolving needs, taking control of your integrations is a powerful step. Don't forget to explore other features and settings within Todoist to fully harness its capabilities. Happy organizing,